Hi friends, I am Imran Ali. Today my topic of discussion is features of American Constitution. I hope you will find it very beneficial and helpful while attempting such type of question in your exam. But before moving towards the topic, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So first of all, what does mean by a constitution? A constitution is a set of rules that guides how a country, state or other political organization works. The constitution may tell what the branches of the government are, what powers they have and how they work. It may also state the rights of citizens. Now we will talk about introduction and evolution of American Constitution. The present federal government of USA came into being in the year of 1789. The United States comprised of 13 colonies of Great Britain. In the year 1776, these colonies at the Atlantic coast rebelled against the mother country and became independent in year 1783. During this period, the revolted colonies established the Articles of Confederation as the first constitution in year 1777. However, this system could not last very long. There was no separate common executive, nor was there any independent judiciary. An effective central government was the fundamental need of the hour. A convention for the purpose of framing the Constitution was convened at Philadelphia in the year 1787. Thus, the Constitution was framed on the basis of this convention and was signed by the delegates on September 17, 1787. This constitution came into force in 1789 and since then it has undergone many changes, one of them being the increase in the number of states from 13 in 1787 to 50 at present. If we talk about the sources of American Constitution, we know that main sources of American Constitution are: number 1, written Constitution of 1787. Number 2, judicial decisions. Number 3, laws of Congress. Number 4, convention. And number 5, formal amendments. Number 1, written Constitution of 1787. This original constitution was drafted by convention held at Philadelphia. It came into force in year 1789. Number 2, judicial decisions. The occasional interpretations of the Constitution by the Supreme Court have introduced many important modifications in the Constitution. Number 3, laws of Congress. The framers of the Constitution laid down only the general outlines of the governmental structure. The details have been filled in the laws passed by the Congress. Number 4, convention. A convention is a custom by which long usage has acquired the force or sanctity of the Constitution. These are also an important source of American Constitution. And finally, number 5, formal amendments. During the period of over 170 years, the American Constitution has undergone a number of amendments in the original document. Salient features of American Constitution. Following are the salient features of the American Constitution. Number 1, written Constitution. Number 2, rigid. Number 3, federal. Number 4, separation of powers. Number 5, check and balances. Number 6, judicial independence. Number 7, judicial review. Number 8, fundamental rights and liberty. Number 9, popular sovereignty. Number 10, limited government. Number 11, bicameral legislature. And number 12, dual citizenship. Number 1, written Constitution. First prominent feature of the American Constitution is that unlike the British Constitution, it is a written or documentary. It is very brief document and contains about 4,000 words and at least 10 to 12 pages. It consists of preamble and 7 articles only. The framers laid down only the fundamental principles and did not bother about the details. However, this doesn't mean that all the rules of the American Constitution are to be found only in one document. It proclaims itself to be the supreme law of the land. Number 2, rigid. Another feature of the American Constitution is that it is rigid, which means that it cannot be amended by the Congress by the ordinary procedure. The procedure is very intricate and difficult. It is therefore rightly remarked that if the founding fathers were to return to life today, they would not find it difficult to recognize handiwork. Number 3, federal. Another important feature of the American Constitution is that it is federal in structure. Federalism is a device by which independent states form a union without losing their identity. The American states are units having autonomous powers. The center cannot meddle in their affairs. Number 4, separation of powers. American Constitution is based on the principle of separation of powers. The framers of the Constitution believed that the separation of various organs of the government was necessary to ensure individual liberty and to check despotism. They therefore gave the presidential system to their people. In US, all the legislative powers are enjoyed by the president. He is not responsible to the legislative. The legislative powers have been vested in the Congress, and judicial powers are vested in the Supreme Court. Number 5, checks and balances. The framers of the US Constitution were aware that a department, if left unchecked, would become oppressive. They therefore introduced checks and balances in the Constitution. Thus, Congress has been given a share in the executive powers. It can check the president's powers of making treaties and appointments. Similarly, if the president enjoys the powers of supreme veto, by using this power he can influence legislation. He also enjoys judicial powers of giving pardon and reprieve. Number 6, judicial independence. The direct consequence of separation of powers is the doctrine of judicial independence. In the United States, all the judicial powers are enjoyed by the Supreme Court and other federal courts. No other office can influence its independence. Number 7, judicial review. An important feature of the American Constitution is the power of judicial review. The Supreme Court in US is supreme not only in theory but also in practice. In UK, no court can challenge the power of Parliament. However, in the United States, all the laws passed by the Congress and state legislatures are subject to judicial review. Number 8, fundamental rights and liberty. Another important feature of the American Constitution is that it ensures certain fundamental rights for every American citizen, of which he cannot be deprived by any lawful authority. Freedom of religious worship, freedom of speech and press, right to assemble peacefully, and property rights, etc. are some of the fundamental rights enjoyed by the US citizens. Number 9, popular sovereignty. The US Constitution established the popular sovereignty of the people. The preamble of the Constitution runs thus: "We, the people of the United States, in order to form a perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, promote general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty ourselves, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America." Number 10, limited government. Another important feature is the doctrine of limited government. Unlimited powers of the government would make them despotic, which would lead to tyranny and violence. In UK, the Parliament is supreme, whereas in the United States, the Constitution is supreme and the powers of the government organs are limited. Number 11, bicameral legislature. In the United States, Congress is the parliament, which consists of two houses, the Senate and the House of Representatives. This means that the type of legislation in US is bicameral. Number 12, dual citizenship. Every American citizen is entitled to the right of dual citizenship. First of all, he is the citizen of America, and secondly, he is the citizen of the state in which he lives. The feature of dual citizenship was introduced in the American Constitution by the 4th Amendment. So, to conclude, it can be said that US Constitution is written in its nature, rigidity, bicameralism, dual citizenship, separation of powers, judicial independence, etc. are its salient features. So that's all for today. If you have any sort of query or question, you may ask me in comment section or leave a message anytime. Till next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.